Welcome to On Tilt Trading. Let's review my current trade in Bitcoin. I am currently short right now. Let's start here on the daily with the top-down analysis of what I have going on here. So if we look at this Fibonacci retracement area right here, this is my current dealing range. This orange line is covering up. This is the first day of the month, which I divide the daily chart into months for sessions. So today's the first session of September for Bitcoin based on my system. And you can see Bitcoin today is in a downtrend with this sell side delivery here. I break out away from this price level here where there was a break of structure here. There's a break of structure right over here. And with that, getting this price action, this buy side delivery, which I would look at as pullback into this optimal trade entry area here. So I would be looking for here on the daily for Bitcoin to potentially be pulling back. But this trade isn't set up for me on the daily chart. This fair value gap here is not in a position where I want to trade the daily chart. And then if we go over to the 60-minute chart over here, this was my level here today. So I had a short bias off of the daily chart. So this was my level. If price went below that, I would take a short position. But price, as you can see here, never quite made it that far before price was delivered to the buy side here. And there's a fair value gap right here that price traded into. Got this buy side delivery. But here on the 15-minute chart, this is the AM session, the New York AM session right here. So when this AM session set up, that was when this buy side delivery was put in. But here on the 15-minute chart, I noticed price action in this candle here. Struggling to be delivered, or price wasn't able to be delivered above this swing high here. And then when that happened, price was delivered to the sell side into this swing low here. So since price was unable to trade above this swing high, but was able to get a closure below this swing low here in this candle. Let me remove the Fibonacci retracement tool here. So here in this candle, there's the closure below this swing low here. So any sell side liquidity here has been swept out. Also here showing an intent to potentially trade lower. With that in mind, there's also this fair value gap right here. So I set an entry within the optimal trade entry within this fair value gap. And I'll set that back up now. And then took an entry here at this level here at the 62% level. There was some slippage on entry, so I got a slightly better price. And then for a stop loss, my stop loss is just above this swing high here. So you can see my stop loss here. So there's a 10-cent spread on Bitcoin, so a 20-cent stop back here. And then on that entry, and then for a target, zoom out, my target is the rebalance of this fair value gap right here. So there's a fair value gap right there. My target is the rebalance of that fair value gap right here. Price may trade into this sell side liquidity here, but on the daily, down here on the daily, I think this may be, or this is a short-term high here on the daily. Back this up here. So here on the daily, the reason why I'm not trading, or I mentioned I was not trading the daily based on this fair value gap here. This is a short-term high right here. So there is a chance that, or a high enough probability that price could come and sweep out the buy-side liquidity resting up here. And then that would expand this range here to this entire range. So this is what I anticipate could happen, or there's the probability of it that could happen. So that's why I'm only taking a trade here on the 15-minute chart for a shorter term trade. So this would be a day trade based on my system. I tried to trade earlier here on the 60-minute here, just based on the order block, wanting to trade the order block as opposed to if I wanted to trade these swings. So I traded an order block and decided that that was not going to be my style of trading. So the order block for this short trade would be right here. So I took this trade based on the fact that price closed below it here, and then when price traded up, it just traded out of the back. And then looking back at it, this is just relatively equal highs. So this would be a target where there's going to be a lot of buy-side liquidity resting right here. So this was just engineered liquidity, as opposed to the current position that I'm in now, where I allowed, as I mentioned before, allowed the price action to close below the swing low there. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade smart, trade safe.